أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
خرج الطلاب من الفصول. The students left the classes. ليعرفوا سبب الضوضاء. To know reason for the noise. To know the reason for the noise. ليعرفوا سبب الضوضاء. من أي إذاعة تريدون أن dash الأخبار يا إخوان. من أي إذاعة. From which radio station you want to hear the news, O brothers? Here you have to fill the blanks with the suitable verb. Necessarily not have a derivative. Ya Zainabu, ayumkinuki an dash hadal unwana bilughatil faransiyati. O Zainab, can you write taktubi? Ayumkinuki an taktubi. Known as fallen. Kharajati talibatul jududu li yadhhabna ila al mudirati. The new girl students left to go to the principal. جاء هؤلاء الطلاب إلى الجامعة الإسلامية من بلاد مختلفة. These students came to Islamic University from various different countries. ليدرسوا اللغة العربية. ليدرسوا to study Arabic language. والقرآن Quran. والحديث hadith. والفقه fiqh is Islamic jurisprudence law. والتوحيد ليدرسوا اللغة العربية والقرآن والحديث والفقه والتوحيد. And the monotheism, oneness of God is Tawheed. Turidna and dash al kahwata ya banatu. Turidna and tashrabna al kahwata ya banatu. Do you all want to drink coffee, O daughters? Ya ayyuhal ikhwanu. Ya ayyuhal ikhwanu la takhruju min al fasli qabla ay yakhrujal mudarrisu. O brothers, it's same ya and ya ayyuha same, but when you are calling a person with alif lam, you have to insert ayyuha. Masalan, for example, if you say, O king, ayyuhal malik, ya ayyuhal malik. O brothers, la takhruju, don't leave the class before the teacher leaves. Ukhruju, leave after ay yakhruja. Ukhruju, leave after he leaves. Wadukhulul fasla, and enter the class qabla an yadkhula, before he enters. Before he enters. Anti kharajati min al fasli. Anti kharajati min al fasli. Li, you left the class. Li tashrabi al ma. Li tashrabi al ma, to drink water. Alaysa kadhalik? Is it not so? Yadhhabu, المضارع المرفوع الضمة علامة الرفع. يذهب المضارع المنصوب علامة النصب الفتحة. يذهبون noon will be maintained in the rafa state, whereas yadhhabu noon will be lost in the yadhhabu hazfun nooni, hazfun noon removal of noon. Tadhhabu, the dhamma is the alamat symbol for alamat rafi. Tadhhaba fataha is the alamat nasab. Alamat means symbol, sign. Tadhabna, tadhabna, it is alamatu arafi, mabni. This one is mabni. Why it is mabni? It is actually the noon nuswa has come, it won't change. Tadhabna, yadhabna, tadhabna won't change. Tadhabna, even if there is a an or lan something there, it won't change the end here, it will remain like that. It is called mabni. Mabni means it is a very strong construct, it won't change, its end won't change. Tadhhabu alamatu rafi, tadhhaba alamatu nasbi, tadhhaba. Tadhhabuna, subutun noon, noon is maintained. Tadhhabu adfun noon, tadhhabu means hazfun noon, noon is removed. Here in the case of alamatul rafi, so this noon won't fall, but in the case of mansub nasab position, that is after an or lan, it will lose the noon. Tadhhabina alamatu rafi, subutu noon, retaining of noon. Tadhhabi azfun noon is alamatu nasab, that is removal of noon is the sign of nasab, symbol of nasab. Tadhhabna, it is noon niswa, mabni, it won't change wherever it is. Adhhabu, dhamma is the alamatu rafi. Here adhhaba fataha is alamatu nasab, symbol of nasab. Nadhhabu is the symbol dhamma is alamatu rafi, symbol of rafa, and nadhhaba al mudari al mansub is the alamatu nasab, that is symbol of nasab. Symbol of nasab is fatha. At this stage you may not be able to understand the positions marfu, mansub, majrur and all the other things. Inshallah, in later stage we will give you a very detailed account of all these things. What is the meaning of rafa, marfu, and what is the sign of this, and what is the meaning of nasab, mansub, and what is the sign of this, and what is the meaning of jar, majrur, and what is the sign of this. All these things we will deal in detail, so don't worry about it. Even if you are not understanding, just go through it, and we will understand this inshallah in the future. Tamal Mayali, Allah equal to an la, an la. Arju an tadkhula, arju an tadkhula, I request you to enter. Arju Allah tadkhula, I request you not to enter. An la, I request you not to enter. Arju an tajlisa huna, arju an tajlisa huna, I request you to sit here. Arju Allah tajlisa huna, I request you not to sit here. Kya harfun, kya harfun min hurufil jar, is a particles of jar. That is, it gives kasra to the following noun. Hadihil madrasatu. This school is like a masjid. Is like the masjid. Kel masjidi. This school is like the masjid. Kel masjidi. Like. Adihil qahwatu kel mai. This coffee is like water. Hamidun keslanu kezamilihi. Hamid is lazy like his classmate or as his classmate. Saati kesaatik. My watch is like your watch. Al kalimatul jadidatu. Adatun. Adatun. Habit. Muthafun. Metahif. Museum. Ulbatun. Ulabun. Tin. Malabis. Dresses. Hadiqatul Haywanat. Zoo. Saidaliya. Pharmacy. Medical shop. Alhamdulillah.
لبيك